Hello everyone. We will be presenting about our microcontroller final project. And in this project, the title of our project is Sensor Automated Garage. My name is Emeli, Rahma, Keren, Purwadi. This is our group members. Today, I will give you a brief explanation about our project. So as I mentioned earlier, there will be automatic sensor garage. The automatic garage will open by itself when a car moves nearby. So there will be a motion sensor that will be placed in front of the garage and will detect motion. After that, it will be open the garage by itself. And when motion didn't detect it anymore, the garage will be closed. As in the car already inside of the garage, the door of the garage will be closed. In this project, we have a few components that we use. The first one is ESP32, and the second one is passive infrared sensor for our motion detected sensor. Next one is servo motor. When the motion detected, it will react the servo motor so that it will move. The next one is ultrasonic sensor. We design it to when the car is inside of the garage or something is inside of the garage, it will be detected by the ultrasonic sensor and will be lighting up the LED pin. And we also need the LED pin and of course the resistor. The next one, we need jumper wires, breadboard, and cardboard for our additional components. So, how does it work? How does our garage work? As I mentioned earlier, so when a car or a thing is nearby or in front of the garage, the passive infrared sensor will detect the motion and it will move the servo so that the door of the garage will be moved around 90 degrees so that the car will be going inside of the garage. And when the garage is open, there will be an ultrasonic sensor inside of the garage. The ultrasonic sensor will detect anything inside of the garage, and when it detects things, it will light up the LED so that the inside of the garage will not be dark. After that, when in the case that the car is already inside of the garage, the motion sensor in front of the garage will not be longer detect motion anymore so that the garage will be closed. And the ultrasonic sensor inside of the garage, it always detect anything inside of the garage and then the LED will light up. So when everything is closed inside of the garage, the LED will light up the whole thing inside of the garage. And yeah. So the next one will be explained by my friend, the demonstration of our project. Thank you.
Okay, next, before we go on to the demonstration of the project, I'm just going to show you a brief look of our code that we used for this project. Here we defined the pins of the sensor, servo, LED, as well as the PWM properties, also with modulation. And here we set up the pins as inputs and outputs. And here we made it so that when motion is detected by the passive infrared sensor, the servo turns 90 degrees. And when it's no longer detected, it goes back to 0 degrees. And here is the code for when an object is close to the ultrasonic sensor, the LED turns on. and when it's not close to the ultrasonic sensor, it turns off. But to give you a disclaimer, our project is quite small in scale, which is why the LED constantly turns on. This is because the ultrasonic sensor is quite sensitive to the object around it. And if we move to the documentation of the project, you can see that it is quite close to everything around it, which causes the LED to constantly be turned on. But if it were to be done in a larger scale, it should be functioning properly. This is an overview of the model of our project. In front here, we have the passive infrared sensor, which will detect the car as it moves before it gets into the garage. And once it's detected, the garage door will open and the car will be able to go in. Once it stops, the garage door closes on its own, and here we can see the ultrasonic sensor that detects the object, which causes the LED to be turned on. And for this project, we use the ESP32.Kit version 1, and this is how our code looks like on Arduino IDE. Here we can see once the car is detected, you can see from the right, it says motion detected on the serial monitor, and the door closes back in when motion is no longer detected by the passive infrared sensor. That is it for the demonstration. Next, my friend will be talking about the purpose of this project.
Hello everyone, my name is Ariq Sumarta, and lastly I will talk about the purpose of this project. Imagine arriving home after a long day, juggling groceries and reaching for your garage door opener. Wouldn't it be easier if the door opened automatically as you approach? Traditional garage door lack automation and can pose safety hazard. We all experience the frustration of forgetting to close the door or accidentally bumping the remote while getting out of the car. Our smart garage project solved this problem by integrating smart technology into your existing garage door system. The smart garage guardian utilizes two key sensors, motion sensor and ultrasonic sensor. The system works seamlessly. The advantage of our smart garage project is convenience, safety, and improved visibility. For the convenience, we will no more fumbling for remote or getting out in the bad weather to open the door. As for the safety, we eliminate the risk of accidentally closing the door on your car and improve visibility as the LED light illuminate the garage and enhancing safety when entering or exiting at night. Beyond personal use, the Smart Garage Guardian can be adapted for commercial parking lots and building access control. In conclusion, the Smart Garage Guardian demonstrates how IoT technology can change our daily life. It offers a convenient, safe, and potential adaptable solution for modern garage. That's all for our presentation about the Smart Garage today. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.